Hi, I'm Rick, and this is Paul.
Hi.
And we're going to be playing 15 Diamonds, all right? 2-player version. It's just multiplayer. So the rules are in the description, and I'll put them on the screen too as we go. So an explanation of what we're doing. All right, so we start off with ball in hand. I'm going to start just because I'm showing you how to do it to begin with, and then Paulie's going to take over. All right. So, 3, 9. You call pockets, but I mean, if it's obvious, you don't have to call it. This is obvious. Now, obviously, this is not 8 ball, so 15 goes in the middle at all times. That's a 50. All right, 8 ball on top. And we're supposed to be counting. There's only 3 here.
3, yep, you got 3 so far.
There he goes. 5. I'm gonna bring the ball back up so I can hit it good. Like that. So that's 4.
4, yeah.
Very good. Well, I have to go for the 11 because I can't reach it. Maybe. 5. 6. Hit that. All right. I was dead in the water if I didn't hit that.
Very good.
7. I mean 6. All right, so now we re-rack.
So you got 6.
Yep. So I'll put the point in first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we re-rack the table. These are at intersecting diamonds. All the rules are in the description. All right. Now Paulie goes with a freshly re-racked table. Okay. Because it wouldn't be fair if he continued from where I left off, because everybody has to have their own complete, open table. Alright, so that's 1. Cool. It's all about setting up the ball for the next ball, obviously. The cue ball has to be set. Good. 2. Definitely a 4, because it brings it out.
Yeah. No, missed that
So
one.
you got what, 3? You got 4? 3?
Yeah.
Alright, so now it stays where it is, alright? We don't pick the ball up now, because we both had inning, okay? I had a little cold, excuse me.
Actually, I think that was just 2 I got
Oh.
for that time.
Oh, I didn't see this.
Yeah. So it's,
Sure?
yeah, we got 2 that time.
Okay. Yeah. So I have to go with the ball has been laid, which is not a good position. I can't see any of these balls. So I have to go for this, and that brings it down there, which I don't want. Oh, this one. Which I don't like either. Pocket. Oh, that's why I got lucky there.
Got it though.
Yeah, I was lucky. That's the other reason I like it. There's no good spot to leave it. 7 on the side, I think I go hit high, it's gonna break up a mess over there. Okay, so we got it. Was that 2?
You got 2 so far, right?
Yeah, okay. 2 it is. This will set up this ball. Maybe too high, it goes in the gutter. And I didn't hit the gutter, so okay. So then that's 3.
3. Yeah.
Now this is to be hit last. Just want to reiterate that, because this 15 ball, it's basically like the 8 ball in the game of 8 ball. Okay, you don't touch that. If I do hit it in early by accident off another ball or whatever, that's 2. You minus 2 points.
Take 2 points off. Okay.
Yeah. Everything else is worth a point. That's 2 points. Also, if you get it in the pocket, you call it at the end. Once the table is cleared, then that would be 2 more points. All right, so 13 it is. Can't see that. Just right. Yeah. Oh boy, it's gonna be perfect. So that was what now?
Yeah, now you got four.
Oh, I think it's 5.
Is it you? Oh, that's right, because you
Yeah.
got that one. 5.
I got it all the way up. I don't know if I'm gonna get that one. It could be 4, Paul. I don't know. I'll check the video. Nah. All right, so it's either 4 or 5. I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll say 4 because I'm not sure.
Okay. So now.
All right. By the way, we're playing to 31 points. We just decided that earlier. Forgot to say that. Normally you say that before you start, but you can do it. It doesn't matter. So the 15 ball is not to be touched.
Right.
I mean, you can touch it, but
Right.
like the 10 ball
That's
though.
why I decided.
You have
Yeah, I get that. Yeah.
You know what I mean? I don't think you saw that.
I was just looking at that as
You
well.
can get that next.
Yeah, next time.
No, in this case you can get the 6 right over there. Unless the 3's blocking it, right? No, the 3's blocking it.
Yeah.
Never mind. Place it here or just stick it 12 or whatever you want. I'm trying to see.
Yeah. Just gonna see where.
Yeah, we can't. The other thing is you can't hit the 15 first to do a combo. So that'd be an illegal shot in which you get a
Yeah.
ball in hand if you do that. So.
I tried that, but it didn't work.
So what'd you get, Paulie?
I ended up with just the one.
All right. So from now on, we're gonna start ticking them off one by one because we're not keeping track. Because I'm explaining things and he's explaining, you know. So we're just gonna start. So if we get one, just tick it. All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it that way because it's not working the other way.
So,
I forgot what I had. I don't know.
I think you're right.
I have
Pretty
nothing
much-
here anyway.
You're good though. You're
I'm
right.
gonna try that.
For the most part.
6 ball. I gotta do this a second. In that spot. There's a hard shot, back cut. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
Got it. That's one. Just take off one for me.
Yep.
Thank you. I could break this out. This is perfect because it's gonna break all that out. Yeah, 2, yeah. Number 3. Great. Good. 4. Then I'm gonna bring it back. 4. I'm gonna figure this out. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Whew. I need my chalk.
Did you?
Oh, it's over there. I get it. Thanks. This chalk, if it was, you should chalk for every single shot. I mean, no, you should chalk.
Yeah, I haven't chalked.
This
in a
chalk
while.
though, this is Teom V10, and this is the best in the world. And you can do like 18 shots, 20 shots without even chalking. It's so good. All right.
Right.
Go back to there, because I can't go that way. Alright, I'm gonna go right. I don't think it goes over there. Nope, that's why I didn't go that way. This is where it would go, but I don't have a real good pocket here. So this looks like the end of the run. So, just gonna hit it. It's not a foul, I hit it against the rail, and he's got a good shot. So, you know, you could do a safe shot, and that was a bad safe shot. So, just letting you know you can do whatever you want. You can do it's the same as in the professional pool.
Right.
The fouls exist. Oh, yeah, 12, there you go.
No, missed it.
Alright, let's see. So I have to do these 2 and then this will be last.
Yeah.
It's gonna go that way though, so I go slow. Like that. And I'm gonna move this. Oh, that was, I didn't think
Yeah, you got the one there.
Oh, this is a damn. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
I made it harder, I should have left it up there.
You got the
17.
17.
Yeah. Okay, leave that there. This will be 2 points if I get it. If I get it, a scratch on it, minus 2 points. It's fouling on the 15. If I get it in the wrong pocket, it bounces, goes over here, wherever. It's minus 2 points. It won't be an early 15 because I'm on the 15. So that foul is gone right now. I could scratch easily right here. So, oh, let's see. I'm going right in. Oh, no. So you get that. That's 2 points for you, and you'll start the next round, okay? So Paul is gonna start. This is 2 points for you. It's big.
Yeah.
1, 2, so he's, okay. Good, so now we re-rack, so you get on that side, I'll stay on this side. And you go again, with ball in hand. 15 in the middle.
Yep.
Cool, that's it.
Okay.
All this is ball in hand, whatever you want. You say, all right?
Yeah, it works. It seems to work good
Yeah,
that way.
works for me too.
Okay, continue.
One. Take that off. Yeah. Just don't follow it because then you're gonna have nothing.
Yeah.
Keep it down low, there you go. Oh,
Yeah, drop it, didn't
Oh.
drop. Yeah, I hit it wrong.
I have to hit that down, not that down.
So I only got the one.
I already give it
You did.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll put it right here.
I'll keep y'all score.
So I get the one. Yeah, then. That's another one. And. Nope. I knew it. I hit it just as I was letting go. I hit it just a hair to the right. I mean my left. Just put it over here. All right. Uh-oh. That doesn't go. No, it goes here.
No, yeah, don't even
Your
know.
pin, Paulie. That won't go.
Oh, yeah.
Try it. It won't go. This is gonna go this way,
Yeah.
but you don't want a ball in hand it either.
Right.
Well, it won't. It put the cue ball hit the thing.
Alright.
But I mean, you're pretty much screwed. So you gotta go this way. This does go this way. Only go this way like that, and then it's gonna bounce and it's gonna hit it.
Okay.
So yeah, the other way definitely doesn't work. It's on the ball. I mean,
Yeah, I know. It's
literally touch it. Well, you gotta go higher. Yeah, that'll work. Well, you're going aiming here though. You gotta aim over here.
Yeah.
You need to go up over the ball post like that. Get over there. Like this. Yeah, just like that. This is the angle you need. So you have to go up. You have to put your hand as close as you can. It's hard.
Yeah.
But, you know, Paulie's like,
Yeah.
that was it, but,
Yeah, I couldn't get enough.
well, it's a ball in hand because you missed the ball.
Yeah.
Alright, so, but anyway, that was I made it hard for you. Get this thing out of the way here. Nah. Let's try it this way. Angle. Okay. 15. I mean 3. You said 13 on it.
Got it. Okay.
The 11, oh the 5 actually. The 11.
Good, doing good.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
No, stop just in time.
And now for the combo platter. Alright, the 7. I'll bring it back up here, so it's gonna go this way. Put some left. Too much. Alright, I screwed it up for this placement. Because you can't touch this, I mean, that's not.
Oh, I have to give it
I
another
have to
one.
go.
Didn't work. We have to give it a 1, 2, yeah.
Okay. I have to move this over here because I gotta do a crazy. Oh, sorry, this way. This is. So you gotta go like this and then down.
Yep.
Nope. Alright, so there you go.
Alright. Let's see what we can do here.
So 26 to 6, but we're going up to 31, so.
Oh yeah, I was gonna ask you what the
But
scoring was.
Paulie's gonna have his last ups, alright? Because I went first. That's how it always goes.
Yeah.
It has to be an equal amount, okay. Well, it didn't give me much anyway. I have to roll it out too.
Nice. 27.
27. Now, same thing. 10. set up the 6 to get to the 15 now, so I'm thinking. Let's go ahead now. Oh, come on.
Oh, thank
Look
you.
at the setup.
I know, you would have had it. Yep.
I was waiting between both. Alright, so now Paulie gets the 6. Or the 12, what do you?
Yeah.
6, if you get the 6, you better roll it up here. Don't leave it
Yeah.
there. Roll it up, because you want to get the 12 next. You know?
Yeah.
So you want to go high on that. You gotta stretch.
Yeah. Yes.
You want the thingy?
No, I
The
think
bridge?
I
We don't believe in bridges, sorry. You should, but that's why you should have use the bridge.
Yeah, I tried that.
Alright.
That's okay. I want to try it.
Good. Alright, all the way up that way. Not a fun shot here, but. Scratch, should I scratch? Should I scratch? Should I scratch? Ah! Okay, so you get 3 more points coming. So this is 6. I mean, you want the 6, and then set up it, make it come closer, probably.
Yeah.
So just put it over here somewhere. This number, and then you come this way. You know, because anywhere around here you want to be with the cue ball.
Yeah.
Anywhere. Otherwise, if down there, it's going to make it harder. You know.
So again,
Well,
the bottom.
put an angle on it. Yeah. That's going to go that way. Well, you have to go that way, right?
Yeah.
But I would put it over here closer so it comes out. Just do what you want. Because it's going to go that way. It might hit 2 rails. I'm going low though. Yeah.
And it came smacked out.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to try. You put it in the dead zone. It's a scratch shot. I'm going to try it. Who cares? Slice it. Oh, I didn't scratch it. I didn't.
I know.
I just missed it. So I'm okay. Now you got it for sure. Now it's set up way.
Alright.
Just remember the 15's right here.
Yeah.
Just try to smack that baby in there. Not smack it, I mean smack that.
Alright.
You know. Alright, there's a
Oh,
it is a
yeah.
scratch sometimes.
Yeah.
But what am I doing? This one.
So I can
Alright, so you get the you get a point over there?
I got
Just-
one.
Yeah, you got one.
Just
Alright.
that's it though.
Alright, so now I'm on the 15, that's 2 points.
Yeah, now I'll do it.
That's just a
Yeah.
alright, so 2 points and then
And then BR 31. So.
oh that was it.
Yep.
Nope.
One.
Now it's your turn. You have a free tip.
Oh,
you
that's
can-
right.
You have your whole
3
field.
ups, right?
Yeah, it's Paulie's turn last, so I went first. Yeah.
Right.
15 goes here.
Yeah.
It's in that pocket. Alright. You get the rest. Just give me. There you go. Alright. So get as many as you can right now. You know.
Yeah. I mean, you already.
you literally have to clear the table. and
Yeah,
clear it
because you
more.
already won. You already
But-
got the points.
Well,
but-
no, yeah, it's if you miss one, it's over. You know?
Yeah.
So,
So.
I don't know. I'm just saying. So that's how it works.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Because you don't know if what if. You know. I'm just gonna do what
I know. It just. Oh, so the other thing is this, okay? So in reality, I would give him 6 extra points, okay? So that's what I'm gonna give him, because it's a handicap system and we're going by. It's not gonna matter at this point, you know. It's only a.
But for reference.
But yeah, for reference, right?
You know, that's it.
So would you get one more on that? So 9.
Yeah, that's it.
So 31-9, whatever. Paul is a beginner, so it's not his fault. I mean, this is how it works, and I'm not that great as you can see either. I mean, whatever.
Yeah.
I'm definitely no
Ready.
whatever. I'm on an APA team and all that, but it's like I'm doing pretty good actually. It's a 4, but I don't know. Unless, alright. So that's all good. Alright, so this is how it works. So I just wanted to say, this is one version. Why does it look? Oh, this threw me off. I'm like looking at this. This is just one version of this game, okay? Because there's at least 2 other versions that I have right now, and I'm gonna make it a lot harder for advanced players.